We host Veer Shah in this session. Veer Shah is a senior international consultant at GL Education, supporting international schools across Africa to understand and analyze formative assessment data. Prior to his current role, Veer worked as a math teacher and assessment coordinator at an international school in Nepal. He holds a BSc in economics from the University of Warwick, a diploma in law from BPP Law School, and a PGCE from the UCL Institute. In his spare time, Veer writes articles for the Business Update, taking a critical look at making an impact with data, understanding ability, tracking attainment, and uncovering hidden barriers to learning. Join me as we welcome Veer Shah to the Impact Educators Summit 2021.